Oh,
It's working.
it's working. Get my glasses off. Okay.
Okay. Hi.
Hello. We're doing a vertical tasting of Michela. The O2 and the O3 are released. The O4 and the O5 are not released. The O4 will be released on Valentine's Day, February 14th, 2008. The O5 will not be released until Valentine's Day, 2009.
Cheers.
They're delicious. Grown in Blue Heron Vineyards, estate grown in Blue Heron Vineyards, Calistoga, Napa Valley.
And they go great with dropping things. Let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, you want
yes.
to drop things, you grab
They
one
make
of
you
these
drop.
lines. Oh yeah.
The half bottles are adorable.
They are. We could always refill
They're gonna have to.
Yeah.
Anyway, we just finally got it to record. We've been
Girls
working an
gone
hour.
wild. Okay. Sorry, I've
Not
always
drinking
wanted
an
to do
hour,
that.
working an hour.
Yeah.
Drinking very little.
Speak for yourself. Yeah. Okay. I think we need. Do we hit cancel or
No,
finish
it's
the next
like when it says done.
Well, yeah, but we gotta choose which one we're doing. Are we canceling or are we finishing and
No,
exiting?
what the heck? We gotta get it done once in a while.
Hmm?
We have to just experiment.
Yeah. So what do we do?
It said when it said done.
Yeah, but you gotta decide when you're done. Tell it done. It does not rush you. It waits for you to tell it.
Well, it can't be more than 10
cares?
minutes. I'm not gonna press cancel and then it'll be done.
Hit finish. We'll see what happens.
How are your eyes?
How are my eyes?
Yeah, I can't read it.
Bottle eyes. Yeah, definitely hit finish. So right up above you.
Right here?
Yeah. Right there. Yeah.